Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Camry model year and door lock type, so you use the correct technique. First, create a small gap at the top corner with an air wedge or trim wedge. Do this gently to avoid bend damage. Once done, slide a long-reach tool or a straightened hanger past the weather seal toward the lock or unlock button. Make sure to keep pressure on the door to maintain the gap and protect paint and seals. You now focus on finding the interior unlock point with your tool. This might be the unlock switch, the interior door handle linkage, or the manual lock rod. Use a flashlight and feel for the plastic trim, then angle the tool to hook the switch or pull the handle. If the car has a vertical lock rod, push or pull it depending on configuration. Once the tool contacts the correct mechanism, actuate firmly but controlled. Quick motions can slip and scratch. Once the lock actuates, you withdraw tools slowly and close the door gap to protect seals, then test the locks and ignition with the key or smart fob. If the key fob battery is dead and you can access the cabin, place the key in the slot or start per the owner manual. If battery is the issue outside, try the spare or jump start as needed. If you cannot reach the mechanism or risk damage, call a professional locksmith for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.